Welcome, in front of me I have ASUS ROG Phone 5, and today I will show you how you can take care of your battery. At the first you have to go for the settings, next you have to find the battery and simply go for the battery care. As you can see here we can find a couple of the options. Let's start from steady charging. Let's tap on the switch in the right upper corner, and as you can see here we can set the charging rate limiter. So we can go for the steady or ultra steady, and when we slowly charge our battery we will reduce heat and energy loss, so it's very useful. It will protect our battery. And there we got also the charging limit. So when you set a lower charging limit, for example 80 or 90%, our charging limit will extend the battery lifespan. So it's very useful. If you don't need to get it to 100%, for example you are going outside only for a short period of time, for example for 1 hour or 2 hours, you don't need to charge your phone to 100%, right? So we can leave it on 80% and your battery will be in a good condition for a long time. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.